Hi there and welcome back to my channel, Taslima Maya Art. I hope you're all keeping well. Today I have something very different for you. I have been planning this video for quite a while now, so I'm super excited to bring this to you today, especially for all my viewers who over the last year or so have left comments on my videos saying that they felt they didn't have the confidence to draw very well. These are just some examples of my creations using this technique. So with this technique we're looking at taking an abstract pour that you've created, even a failed pour, and then embellishing it in a way where you can have portraits or pictures of your loved ones, pets or any other subject superimposed or layered over your original pour to create that added dimension and interest to totally transform it and give it the wow factor. So you can effectively take any outline you want and lay it over rather than actually drawing it on by hand, though in part 3 I will be showing you how to do that too. This overlay method that I'm going to reveal to you is perfect for any of you who do not know how to draw very well, with simple outlines and shading. So you've seen me use this embellishment technique over crackle paste, swipes, blooms, flower dips, and this one is a chain pull. In fact, you can embellish over any type of acrylic pour technique. The sky really is a limit to the possibilities, combinations and your imagination. And here you can see an image of a woman with beautiful hair with butterflies around her on a ring pour. Bring that added dimension to this very basic ring pour in the background, and it looks lovely on all sorts of different pours. Some which you may not like, it just adds that mystique to it. And no, it's not a digital image placed over another digital image of your pour, though that can also be done if you have the digital know-how. This is a completely different technique and really easy for beginners. So you're wondering how I did this? Well, I'm about to reveal all to you, so I will describe it step by step and show you exactly how to do this. So don't miss out the video premiere for this step-by-step never seen before tutorial on my YouTube channel Taslima Maya Art this Sunday the 7th of April at 10 PM UK, 2 PM PST, 4 PM CST and 5 PM EST. See you there.